Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Lantern full guide. Start by locating the coastal shrine and equipping a light source, then gather the ink sac and anchor fragment before sailing to the deep reef. Prioritize a fast boat and a map marker to save time. Keep supplies for repairs and a healing potion to handle guardian encounters. I will walk you through each step smoothly and practically so you can complete it quickly. In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Lantern full guide. Prepare by checking your boat condition, stocking repair kits, and packing 2 healing items. Hunt the coastal enemy known to drop ink sacs and search wrecks for the anchor fragment. Equip a durable light source to explore dark reefs safely. These preparations reduce downtime and increase success, and I'll describe efficient farming routes and timing so you get the lantern with minimal frustration. In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Lantern full guide. Quick recommendation and ad. If you like clean gameplay rooms, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and effortless floor care. It's great for picking up snacks and debris after long gaming sessions. If you're finding this guide helpful, subscribe and like the video. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Lantern full guide. Begin at the coastal shrine and place the anchor fragment to unlock the path, then sail to the marked deep reef after dusk. Use the ink sac at the Ring of Stones to summon the Kraken encounter and focus attacks on weak points until it yields the lantern. Retrieve the item and bring it back to the shrine to finalize the quest, following safe return tactics I'll outline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.